Ever wondered how to monetize your blog with AdSense and Adster? Monetization is the process of earning revenue from your content. Platforms like Google's AdSense and Adster play a crucial role in this, allowing you to generate income from ads displayed on your blog. This not only validates your efforts, but also paves the way for potential financial growth. So if you're looking to turn your passion for blogging into a profitable venture, buckle up as we guide you through the step-by-step process of applying for monetization on both platforms. First off, let's dive into the process of applying for AdSense. To be eligible for AdSense, you need to be at least 18 years old and own a blog or website that complies with Google's AdSense program policies. Your website should also have unique and interesting content that attracts substantial traffic. Applying for AdSense is a simple process. First, you need to set up an AdSense account. To do this, head over to the AdSense website and click on Sign Up Now. Enter your website URL and email address and choose whether you'd like to receive performance suggestions and updates. Next, you'll need to enable monetization on your blog. Navigate to the monetization page and follow the prompts to connect your AdSense account. Make sure your blog is ready for review before you hit that submit button. This means ensuring your site is fully functional, easy to navigate, and loaded with quality content that adheres to AdSense's content guidelines. The final step is the review process. Google will take a look at your blog and its content to ensure it complies with their policies. This can take a few days, so be patient. Avoid common pitfalls like having a poorly designed site or content that violates AdSense policies. Remember, Google is looking for quality, so make sure your blog stands out. Once you've submitted your application, it's a waiting game as Google reviews your blog. With Google AdSense covered, let's move on to Adster. Adster is a viable alternative, and it's quite straightforward to apply. Before you start, it's important to know if your blog meets their criteria. Adster requires that your blog has original, high-quality content, is in compliance with their policies, and has a clear navigation structure. Now let's dive into the application process. First, you need to create an account on Adster. It's as simple as inputting your email and setting a password. Once your account is set up, the next step is to enable monetization. To do this, head over to the Monetization tab on your dashboard, click on Enable, and follow the prompts. As part of the application process, Adster will review your blog. They'll be checking to ensure your content aligns with their policies and that your blog is well structured for easy navigation. This process can take up to a week, so be patient. Here are some tips for a successful application. Make sure your blog's content is original and valuable to your readers. Familiarize yourself with Adster's policies and ensure your blog is compliant. And lastly, make your blog's navigation as clear as possible. After applying, all you can do is wait for Adster to review your blog. It's a bit like waiting for a pot to boil. But remember, good things come to those who wait, and monetizing your blog is definitely worth the wait. To wrap up, let's summarize what we've covered. We've journeyed through the application process for both AdSense and Adster, exploring the steps to take to get your blog monetized. We've also delved into eligibility criteria, ensuring you're in the know about what's required to be successful. Plus, we offered tips to help you ace your application. With this guide, you're well equipped to start monetizing your blog. Happy blogging and earning.